It's the holiday weekends that we look forward to getting our lawns looking their best. Those are the weekends for outdoor get-togethers with friends, family, and neighbors. For me, there's already a sense of pride that I feel for how my lawn looks to people who come over or just pass by. But for these holiday weekends, there's more. There's a sense of patriotism. The flag proudly flies over our property. But something has been missing. Something that brings all the pieces together. Not anymore. Well, I can honestly say I have never been more excited about a new fertilizer product for my lawn than I am about this one. The new Freedom 1776 fertilizer from Yard Mastery. The detail and the thought that has gone into this is just awesome. And I'm excited to have it, and I'm excited to use it, and I hope that you'll want to give it a try too. And I hope that if you're like me, this is going to be the new go-to product for all the holiday throwdowns, Memorial Day, 4th of July, Veterans Day, all that stuff. And it's just cool. I don't think there's any other way you can be more patriotic about applying fertilizer to your lawn, giving it that green pop to get it ready for guests that come over for the holiday barbecues. This is what it's all about right here, and I love it. So I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description for you to check this out, get a little more information, purchase, and add a little bit more patriotic flavor to your lawn care program. So again, super excited about this, looking forward to continuing to use it. I hope you've had as much fun watching this video as I've had making it, and I look forward to making another patriotic themed video around the 4th of July. One last thing to point out, these special edition Patriotic Cherish Each Moment hats are now available on my website, so I will leave a link down below for those as well, so you can snag one of those if you want. They're pretty cool. But that's going to go ahead and wrap it up for me. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.